Good afternoon, good evening to you, my good people. Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Agentmile Ico, revolutionizing commercial real estate, the world's first decentralized commercial real estate leasing platform powered by artificial intelligence. These ICO focus on the real estate when tenant and landlord and brokers can come together. It's a platform where you can rent an apartment and you can also get history about the house, about the flats, about the office, tenants who have been there before, when maintenance was done, and many details you need. Now let me go scroll down through the website. It says private sales end in 51 days. So the private sales is still live, and you can get them in reviews like ICO Balls, ICO Bench, and the rest. Different review sites. It says Agentmile is the world's first decentralized commercial real estate leasing platform powered by AI. We enables brokers and landlords to lease commercial properties on our blockchain-powered MLS and offer aids leasing capacity management and reporting. Now that's clear, as I've said before. And there is an explainer video here you can watch on your free time that discuss that in details. Since 2015, Agent Drive has been servicing both independent broker and global franchises. So they have been working before, they have been existing. There's a company called Agent Drive that have been doing this since 2015 for 3 years now. Now, what they are planning to do with Agentmile, they will put everything on the blockchain, and that is going to be even better and bigger than what they have before. Let's see the team member, and these are the dashboard is going to look like. This is for the Agent Drive. This is the dashboard. Now, token name, Agentmile Estate token. The ticker name is Estate. Soft cap, hard cap. Now $1 million existing business, so $20 million. The token price is 20 cents. 20 cents. The minimum you can purchase is 1. So can you imagine? You can even purchase 1 token. Token sales from November 5th to January 7th, 2019. Public sale is October 1st to November 5th. Public pre-sale. Pre-sale bonus is 50%. You can join their bounty campaign if you want. And this is smart contract up here. Smart contract code here, you can see. You can check the white paper presentation, the light paper, token sale term, and all the rest. This is the roadmap put together, and this is the team member, the people behind it, and Vladimir Baranov-Ruzin. Yeah, I think Vladimir and Vladimir should mean the same thing if I'm right. Agent Luis Quezada Nieto, Konstantin Boyko, Ira Shopovska, Johnny Lee Montgomery 18, and all these guys behind it. These are the partners they have, and let's see the advisors and the investors. You see them here. Yeah. These are the frequently asked questions you may want to ask. So they say they're located in Estonia and in Tallinn. So token sale related questions, if you have any, you can be able to get that. This is a roadshow in Las Vegas, May 23 to 2018. They have done that in Las Vegas. June has been done for Singapore, San Francisco's. You can see the roadshow they've done, their projects. You can contact them, yeah, and all these on Facebook, on Twitter, on Reddit, on Instagram, on LinkedIn. This should be GitHub on VK or VACA. I don't know they call it. It's VACA. They call it VACA or VK. This social media is mostly for the Russians and former Soviet Union. I've seen it before. It's Telegram, Bitcoin Talk, Medium, and on YouTube. So you can check them out. Now the white paper. White paper is unique, is original, is not copy and paste. As I always do, I want to check if the white paper is unique and real. And I can tell you this white paper is genuine, it's not copy and paste. You can check through 85-page white paper carefully and well put together. They have 23,000 followers on their Twitter account. Wow, this is nice. Telegram is huge too, 65,103 members. Check the Telegram member of some of these ICOs. You know, this number is humongous, is huge. It shows people are bullish about this ICO. The community is huge. No, this tells a lot about this ICO. This number you are seeing here, and you can see them on Medium, on different blog about them. That reason that set Agentmile apart in the blockchain landscape by Shopovska. Agentmile goes direct partnership with Open Ledger. Agentmile signed MOU with Omushego confirming its intent to implement the rest. Just click on it and you can read it. Different blogs here. Agentmile featured by top industry review site. Which blockchain is different global commercial real estate. You know, different blogs by them. You can just go through it and and read it. This is the CEO, as I've said, Vladimir Baranov. Now we want to see if these guys, if these team members are real. We want to know if they are real or. So now let me focus on this guy, Vladimir Baranov, the CEO. So this is the guy. This is the guy. You can check. This is him. This is the guy. And this is the guy.
It's Mr. Larry C with ICO Genius, and welcome to the channel. Today we have Vladimir Baranov Rossini on from Agentmile. How are you doing today, Vladimir?
Yes, really good, thank you. How's everything going with yourself?
Oh, fantastic. It's doing great. Thanks for coming on today. So for all the people who don't know you yet, do you want to go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about you?
Yes, well, I'm Vladimir. I'm the founder CEO of Agentmile. I'm actually half English and half French, despite the name, although I do have Russian grandparents. 20 years in technology since I graduated from university. I've had a number of companies. I had a web design company for about 9 years, which I sold. I then started MobiCarts, which was a mobile commerce app builder. Got the chance to launch that at the demo conference in Silicon Valley. And after that, I worked for Shopgate in Yahweh. So Shopgate, again, was in mobile commerce. I was a chief operating officer of that company, led a team of 150 people, and they raised $25 million. And then I was a chief marketing officer at Yahweh and led a team of 500 people there before getting into real estate and Agentmile.
Fantastic. So it seems like you have a lot of experience both in mobile processing, mobile applications.
So you can see the guy here. So it's obvious. This is a real ICO, a real team behind it. You can check the explainer video out. Just go through it and watch it. They are available on ICO Bench 4.2/5 for the rating. You can see they are based on the Ethereum blockchain. The soft cap is 1 million, the cap is 20 million US dollar based on Estonia. If you're from US, Puerto Rico, Virgin Islands, Singapore, China, and South Korea, sorry, you can't get involved in this ICO. Let's check the laser ranking. More people visiting from India than Russia, than Belarus. And who is the Agentmile.com, registered as 2017 and expired 2018. So the information about them. And with all this information that I present to you, I am strongly convinced that this is a real ICO. This is a ICO that has a goal, that has project, and I believe the team member has a lot of experience. I mean, they have a lot of experience. And the CEO, as an project, they have an organization that is working already, Agent Drive, has been working, and with this Agentmile, I believe is going to be huge. I love this ICO, and I'm going in to this ICO. But please do not forget, anything I've said in this ICO reviews for Agentmile is strictly my personal opinion. Make your own decision, and I'm going to drop the link down below. So sign up for the ICO, and let's wait and see what the future holds. But I believe the future of Agentmile is going to be huge. My personal opinion. Thank you for taking your time to go through and to watch my video. Please show me love, hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, and let's make this work. Let me bring more videos for you, more videos for me to review. I love you guys, and until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.